Hello! In this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on OPPO F11. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar, and now you have to go to settings, then click on Google Assistant, and now click on voice match. Then click here to enable Hey Google, and click on more and I agree. Now click on more and I agree again, and click next. Then click on retrain voice match model. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Then click next. And now you can go back and click on lock screen. Then click yes I'm in and make sure that this first option stays on. And now let's go back and go back again and click on Gemini. And as you can see, my Gemini is enabled, so now let's check if my Google Assistant will work on lock screen. Okay Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.